In this video, we're going to learn how to find missing sides in a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. I've drawn two different diagrams here. The one in red is the one you're going to be able to see on your quiz and any other assessments here on out. It gives you a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, and it tells you that this side length, the short leg, is x, hypotenuse is 2x, and the long leg is x root 3. This diagram over here should help you in the beginning get a grasp of what you're multiplying or dividing by. So for example, if you're going from short leg to hypotenuse, or x to 2x, you're going to multiply by 2. And the reverse, going from hypotenuse to short leg, is divide by 2. Short leg to long leg will be multiply by root 3. So from x to x root 3, that's multiplying by root 3. The reverse is dividing by root 3. So there's a lot of information in this triangle as well as the first 45, 45, 90 right triangle. You have to get a good grasp of what numbers go in what relationship. So from hypotenuse to short leg and reverse deals with the number 2. Short leg and long leg, that relationship has the square root of 3. And square root of 2 is with the 45, 45, 90 right triangle, the previous special right. You have to keep those separate. And make sure you're using this in the very beginning, the diagram, to help you with each of these problems. When we do some of the examples on this sheet, you should be labeling with your arrow where you're going from and then where you're going to. So example number 15. All right. We're tasked with finding V and U, and we start with 16. 16 is your hypotenuse, and the relationship with the hypotenuse is hypotenuse to short leg. If you're wondering which one's the short leg, it is the shorter side out of these two, but in case you're wondering with the angles, 60 degrees is always across from the bigger side, and then 30 degrees is always across from the shorter side. So, hypotenuse to short leg. Hypotenuse to short leg. If you refer to your diagram from before, hypotenuse to short leg is multiply by 2. Sorry, that's short leg to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse to short leg is divide by 2. So we'll go back this way. So we're going to write down divide by 2. Just as a little note for us to help us remember that. So we're going to take 16 and divide it by 2 to find V. So V is going to be equal to 16 divided by 2. Which simplifies to 8. So V is 8. Now, once you have found V, you still have one more side length to find. Now we're going from short leg to long leg. So short leg to long leg. And again, the diagram from short leg to long leg right here is multiply by root 3. So you're going to take your short leg and then multiply it by root 3. So it's going to be U equals the short leg, which is 8. So U equals short leg 8 times root 3. Now, since you can't simplify the radical root 3 and you can't multiply 3 times 8 because one is inside the radical and one is outside, you're going to leave it as 8 root 3. And now we have all the sides of the right triangle. Now you'll notice that this right triangle has 3 sides, and we only started with 1, and we were able to find the 2. Contrast this with Pythagorean theorem, where you have 3 side lengths, and you need to be given 2 in order to find the third. Because this is a special right triangle, you'll only need 1 side length given to you each time. Let's look at number 16 in the practice. 3 over 2 is given to you. X is your hypotenuse. So short leg to hypotenuse. Starting there, we know we're going to, from the diagram, to multiply by 2. So x is going to equal 3 over 2 times 2. X is going to equal 3 over 2 times 2. That's really 2 over 1, which leaves you with x equals 3. So the hypotenuse in this case is 3, twice as big as 3 over 2. Now in this direction, short leg to long leg, Your diagram says to multiply by root 3, or square root 3. So since I know this is my short leg 3 over 2, y is going to be equal to 3 over 2 times root 3. This is really root 3 over 1. So your resulting fraction is going to be 3 root 3 over 2 times 1, 2. These 3's